Paano nga ba magbayad ng Union Bank credit card gamit ang BDO? Una, click natin ang BDO, then log in, then click natin yung pay sa baba, pay bills, then search natin dito kung ano yung credit card natin, Union Bank. Type mo guys yung credit card number. Then after that, yung subscriber account name which is yung pangalan mo dun sa credit card. Then kung magkano yung bills, 298. Then pay from kung saang account. After that guys, then click mo yung pay. Click mo yung confirm. Ayan, bill paid. So yun lang guys.